A paradise in the north, El Cuchillo Dam. I arrived at El Cuchillo Dam in China, Nuevo, León, and was met with a breathtaking landscape. The dam is enormous, with a large amount of water that reflects the blue sky. The lighthouse is a perfect observation point to appreciate the beauty of the dam. Surrounded by towers with roofs to protect from the sun, it's the ideal place to enjoy the sunset. The sunset is simply spectacular. The reflection of the sun on the water is unforgettable, a moment that stays etched in memory forever. At the entrance of the dam, a roundabout with a monumental name and giant fish welcome us to this natural paradise. El Cuchillo Dam is a place you can't miss. Its beauty is simply impressive, and its grandeur is something you have to experience in person. Thank you for watching.